Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Android Auto is not working. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to search for Android Auto. So you have to tap on second one, Android Auto, use apps on your car screen settings. So just simply tap on this, and you have to make sure that you have allowed all the permissions, and after that you have to tap on start Android Auto automatically. So from here you have to click on default set by the car, and then go back, and then you have to tap on Android Auto app info, and from here you have to make sure that you have allowed all the permissions to this one. And after doing this, what you have to do is just simply tap on storage and cache. You have to clear cache, clear storage, then go back, then force stop the app from here. So after doing this, what you have to do is just simply make sure that you have an updated version. So you have to open Play Store, and here you have to search for Android Auto. So you have to update your Android Auto. So after doing all these things, your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.